In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively collaborate using NotebookLM. Whether you're working with a personal account or an enterprise account, there are strategic ways to share and collaborate seamlessly within this platform. Let's begin with those of you who have personal Google accounts, like Gmail, for instance. You have a couple of straightforward options for sharing and collaborating on your notebooks. The first method is to share your notebooks publicly. To do this, navigate to the top right corner of your notebook and you'll see a Share button. Click on it and then set the access permission to anyone with a link. Once you've done that, a link will be generated, which you can share with anyone you wish. It's a simple and effective way to make your content available without having to manage permissions individually. If your intent is to share with specific users, you also have that flexibility. Just enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to grant access to. This allows you to collaborate directly with specific people, ensuring that your content reaches only those you intend. Moving on to those working with enterprise accounts, particularly within Google Workspace, whether it's for an enterprise or an education setup, you have access to more robust collaboration features. Firstly, you can share notebooks with other members within your organization. This is useful when you're working on projects that require input or acknowledgement from colleagues within the same professional environment. Furthermore, you can assign roles to those you share with. By setting permissions, such as viewer or editor, you have control over who can simply view the notebook and who can edit it. This helps maintain order and integrity in collaborative works, while ensuring each contributor knows their role. There's also the option to share notebooks with Google Groups, which is particularly advantageous if you're aiming to collaborate with larger teams or departments within your organization. Rather than adding people one by one, this feature streamlines the process, making collaboration even more efficient. Additionally, NotebookLM offers an innovative way to enhance collaboration through its Audio Overviews feature. This feature allows you to create podcast-style summaries of your notebooks, which is perfect for teams that might prefer or require audio content. You can generate audio summaries in a variety of formats, be it a deep dive, brief, critique, or debate. Once you have your audio files ready, sharing them with your collaborators is a breeze. This method is excellent for asynchronous collaboration, where team members might want to digest content at their own pace, making it easier to integrate feedback and insights without needing everyone to be online simultaneously. By utilizing these collaboration features, you can enhance productivity and creativity, whether you're working alone or as part of a broader team. Thank you for joining me today, and happy collaborating in NotebookLM.